Okay, good morning, I think. Hope everyone's doing alright. And we've got Sue, Charlotte, Linda and Lynn, so good morning guys. Hopefully you guys are feeling good and ready to do some animation in there. So, play it all the way through again. Fades in, moves across, and they both go. Yeah, so that is a very quick and shotgun style of how to animate in and out. They're the aspects I really want you to try with. If you kind of get the masks down straight away, that's fine. I'm going to cover them again. So the initial bit is the mask bit. So this little section here where the text is appearing from behind, I can cover this again. It's going to take a couple of tries so you get right.
Today I am going to make Chinese vegetable curry with boiled rice, and for dessert we've got chocolate and apricot flapjacks. Good luck delivering these and not going everywhere. I'll start slowly and then I can add more if I need to. So the flapjacks are unhealthy bit. Obviously that's not healthy at all. But your curry's pretty healthy. So if you do like Chinese curry, it is. It's all about, you know, portion size and not overeating, but you can have a little bit of sweet naughty now and again, of course you can.
I actually got a lot more out of it than I was expecting to. I kind of went in with an open mind because I hadn't did anything like that before. So kind of getting onto the course and meeting these 7 other participants was really easy, easy going. It was really friendly, and the experience I had with it was just so much fun because you were learning things, but it was in a fun way, and you weren't afraid to ask for help or kind of communicate with other people, which I really enjoyed doing because we were doing level 1 and level 2. So level 2 people were helping level 1. Why don't we try this? Why don't we try that? Or, you know, it was great fun. I really enjoyed it, and I'm hoping to get on to level 2 if I have the opportunity. So yeah, it'd be really good.
Pain with. He likes to get everywhere where he shouldn't. Don't encourage him up here. A bit naughty. He likes to be everywhere where he shouldn't.
Good lad. Clever lad.
There we go, here we go, let's have a little look.
Butch.
I've just put down comment there, 2021, happy day, Dan.
Butch, strong baby Therapy.
So not sure, hopefully that played alright on the stream. There's Haytham with the strong smashing with his sledgehammer there of that door open, so yeah, looks like the lad's got it done. Sorry that I wasn't there to help you guys as well. I can't remember it too clearly, but he has a French guy on and he's super arrogant and he starts like hammering him so bad, like he's
not because
really...
he's French though, right? Just he is.
No, because he's French. A little bit because he's French.
A little bit.
like
whoa, all the French. There goes all the French viewers. They're all gone.
But yeah, there's a friendly rivalry between the British and the French. So,
so you like roast him because he's French or just because he's arrogant?
I can't remember.
I'm gonna have to watch it.
I'm googling it right, and I'm gonna see.
Gordon Ramsay, French man.
That's Gordon confronts arrogant French French chef.
That's a matter of opinion. God. You know, are you that arrogant? A matter of opinion? Not being that arrogant. If you're such a passionate chef, then you are a natural because you're French and you know you love cooking. Yes. Why are you serving tin crab meat?
I don't think he likes Michelle.